Okay, so we're back digging through the AI agent store, which is pretty much our first start for this stuff now.
Yep. And today we've landed on one called freebeat AI.
Right.
It's in the video AI agents section, specifically for making beat-synced visuals.
And the claim they make is, I mean, it's a big one, turn music and ideas into viral videos in one click.
It is a huge claim.
So, yeah, before we even get to the viral part, how does that one click supposedly work? What's it actually doing?
Well, the input side is incredibly simple. You can just paste a song link, like from Spotify or YouTube, whatever, or upload an audio file.
Yeah.
And then you just add a text prompt for what you want to see, and that's basically it.
And what comes out the other end? Because this is what gets me. It claims to automate the entire music-to-video workflow.
The whole thing, it spits out a fully edited music video or a dance video or a lyric video.
With cinematic visuals and everything synced
That
up.
perfectly synced. For anyone who's, spent hours lining up cuts to a beat,
Yeah.
it just does it.
But what if you don't even have a track?
That's the other interesting part. It has an AI music generator built right in.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it uses models like Suno, Stable Audio,
Right.
so you can actually compose an original song right there in the browser. No more worrying about, copyright or finding the right Stark music.
Okay, so let's talk about the tech. How smart is this thing, really? This isn't just shuffling clips around.
No, not at all. It has a really high autonomy score, around 74%. And that intelligence comes from how it analyzes the music first.
Right, so it listens before it creates.
Exactly. It doesn't just see one long audio file. It finds the transients, the kick drum, the snare hit, the bass drop. It breaks the whole track down into these little rhythmic segments.
And that's what it syncs the visuals
Right,
with.
that's the core of it. It maps your visual prompt to those specific sonic moments. That's the part that takes forever to do manually.
That makes perfect sense. But if it's all automated, this one-click idea, what about creative control? I mean, does that mean you just get what you get?
That's a great question, and it's something they've thought about. There are creative escape hatches.
Ah.
You have your standard text-to-video and image-to-video tools, but also more specific things like a face swap feature or character replacement. It can even make those ASMR videos.
So you can tweak and refine the output without having to export it and start over in some other editor.
Precisely. You stay inside the tool to get it just right.
So who is this really for? Who gets the most out of this speed?
I mean, it's a game changer for anyone who needs to produce a lot of content fast. Think about video editors, digital marketers.
Independent artists trying to promote a new song on TikTok.
Absolutely. Artists, creative agencies, anyone who needs scalable production for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, where you need 5 different video ideas for one track.
And what's the barrier to entry? Is it expensive?
It runs on a freemium model, which is pretty standard, so you can get in there and test out the core features, see how well it syncs your music before you decide to commit to a paid plan.
That's smart.
And, one thing that stood out in the material is its ability to handle longer videos.
Oh, really? Because a lot of these tools kind of choke after 30 seconds.
Yeah, they can. But this one seems to generate longer, more detailed beat-synced videos pretty smoothly, which is a big plus. The quality holds up as the track gets longer.
Wow. Automating that core pain point of synchronization really does change the math on making short-form video.
It really does.
Well, you can find Freebeat AI and hundreds of other tools just like it over at aiagentstore.ai.
A great resource.
It is. And if you found this conversation helpful, please take just a second to leave us a rating. It helps a lot.